Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig going to bed. Let's start drawing. Start with Daddy Pig's eyes. He's wearing glasses. Draw his nose, then his face. I draw his mouth, then his cheeks and beard, his 2 ears. Then I draw his body and his hands, his legs, next to him, I draw Mommy Pig. Start with her eyes. Then draw her face and her nose. Draw her mouth. Her mouth was open as wide as an O. I draw 2 ears, then her body and her legs. Finally, draw her hands. Next to them, I draw the bunk bed and the stairs going up. Now I draw Peppa Pig. She is in the upper bed. Start with her eyes, then draw her nose, her face, her smiling mouth, and her ears. In the bed below, I draw George Pig. Start with his eyes, his nose, then his face, his smiling mouth, and his ears. Finally, I draw toys on the floor, clouds on the wall, and lights on the ceiling. Now, let's color together. First, I use pink to paint Daddy Pig and Mommy Pig's skin and their cheeks. Red. Then I painted Mommy Pig's dress orange. I used dark blue for Daddy Pig's clothes. Then, I used the previous pink for coloring Peppa Pig and George Pig's skin. Light purple for Peppa Pig's bedding. Light green for George Pig's bedding. used dark yellow to paint the bunk bed. Then I colored toys on the floor, clouds on the wall, and lights on the ceiling. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.